Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a bank card linking error in PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm just going to jump across to add in a bank card. So I'm just going through PayPal now. Now if I scroll down here, I want to link a card. So I'm going to click on linking a card. This is how you do it. Alright, so this is how you link a card. So you've got to put your debit, credit card, card type, so Visa, MasterCard, etc., expiry date, CVV. Now, there are some common fixes for PayPal card linking errors. So we need to first double check the card details. So ensure the card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address exactly match what your bank has. And also match the name, make sure the name matches your PayPal account as well. And card must be supported. So PayPal may reject cards that are not Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. Prepaid cards, some are accepted, but many are not, and already linked to another PayPal account. So try using a standard debit credit card issued by a major bank. Also, you will need to verify with your bank, so make sure your card is active and authorized for online international transactions, and ask your bank if they're blocking PayPal transactions as well, because that might be limiting you. And also avoid multiple tries. So too many failed attempts can trigger security flags inside PayPal. So from here, just simply wait up to 2 days before trying again. And also try linking the card using a different device or browser. Also, we can clear cache and cookies and try a different browser. So if you're using Chrome, use Firefox. If you're using Firefox, use Chrome, etc. And disable any browser extensions, especially ad blockers or VPNs. Now, if you're still stuck on adding a card you can add your card via bank account instead. So if linking the card fails repeatedly, you can link your bank account directly. So if we go back to PayPal's home screen, alright, so I'm back here now, and if we want to go view money, if I scroll down here, it should say, yep, link a bank account. So click on link a bank account and then verify it with a small deposit from PayPal.